Hey everybody, this video is about alloys, and I want to, here we got an old metal iron thing that's rusted, and got another garden shears that are also rusted. And now I've got my stainless steel measuring cup, and I've got my brass little bar here. You know which ones are alloys? All right. They probably all are alloys. Some a little different and better made, maybe not better made, but made with different components to make them have different properties. And that's what an alloy is when you mix your two or more metals or and elements, because sometimes they put in steel, they put carbon. It's mainly metals, and they have a new set of properties that is sort of different than the individual elements. As in this and this is much more rust resistant than this is, where the elements not on their own wouldn't be. And there are two types of alloys. There's like one that's based upon atoms having similar atomic radius, and one where you basically fit the atoms inside, or it's not inside, but between two or more atoms, which I'm going to show you. All right, so here is our objective. When they say particular nature, that means like the atoms themselves. This is a great definition, all right? Now, the first type of alloy is a substitutional alloy. And here's an example of it. This is this little bar, this is brass. And these atoms have similar atomic radius, or atomic radii. Okay? Now, if you're drawing this, you don't have to draw all 20 circles. I just did this to give you a good visual. These are actually, brass is made of copper and zinc, and it's mainly 65%, roughly 30, a little more copper than zinc. All right. So they've got their comparable radius, but they're not exactly the same. All right. And they basically just plug it into the lattice. All right. Plug one atom into the other. All right. And so look at this is brass. Now the other one is called interstitial alloy. Interstitial. This is steel. All right. This is where the atoms have different radiuses, and you can see you're fitting one one atom in between the other atoms. All right. You usually have one big atom and one small atom. All right. Now the reason they do this, right here, you've got this stainless steel and this rusts, but stainless steel won't, because the mixture of the atoms makes it rust resistant. Now, you can combine them. All right. You can have both. Here I've got steel, and to get to stainless steel, what they do is they put in other elements. They substitute other elements. Here we've got some chromine and nickel, and this makes the overall alloy or mixture have some really great properties. Right here is an example of the different elements that go into like stainless steel. It's incredible. All right. I hope this helps help you understand the different particular nature for the two types of alloys. All right.